Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and today we're here with another 143 scale model, which is the 1968 Dodge Charger from the movie Christine. If you don't know the movie, it is about this Plymouth Fury, which if they have made the Dodge Charger, I really would love to see the Plymouth Fury, because I have the Plymouth Fury from the Christine movie from Autoworld, which is the not the restored version, but the burnt version, and then also the version which I think is the half restored version or something. And there it is. How do you kill something that can't possibly be alive? It is a fantastic movie. I have seen it multiple times. It is a really good movie, and I've seen, of course, this car. This car has been driven by the character that is the best friend of the main character. And yeah, enough talking about that. I would really suggest, of course, looking up the movie because it is really good. I'm not planning to keep the packaging, so that's why I'm just being so, not caring about the packaging. So it is in an acrylic case, as you can see. You can display it this way if you want to. I display my stuff loose, but these acrylic cases I do keep because for transportation, if I end up needing transportation, then I will need them to put back into these acrylic cases. Okay, so there's our car. Let's see what type of screwdriver I need. Looks like the small one. So screw number 1. And number 2, let's put that to the side. Take this piece off. Okay. Oh, the wheels are a bit tight. Why is that? That's because it has brake discs. So the wheels are slightly locked in, but I think I can move them a tiny bit out. That's fine. Not planning to play with this anyway. So test roll will be a fail, I can tell you this from instantly. Tires say Road Max Delta 70. Not familiar with those, so I don't know. Can't tell you what's and why. The model code, as you can see, is 664. It has the vinyl top in the movie. Little mirror right there. There's the front. In the movie, it drives with the car with these lights closed. We have the backlights that have the rounded lights on the back. And I think I forgot to tell. No, I did actually. It's 68 Dodge Charger. Okay, let's see if we can see in the interior. So there is nothing for the back. There's no seats or whatever. I don't know if that was in the movie because you could never see the back. So yeah, you can only see that the driver was driving and the main character was next to him, driving with him. The molding looks fine. I don't know why is it having an issue focusing on these bigger scale cars, but I'll figure it out in the future. It's fine. Like this is the first couple of videos I'm making. The bottom detailing is very good though. So with that, bumper plastic, separate piece of course. Same for the back. Yeah. Overall, like I said, rolling test is a fail. As you can see, it doesn't want to roll. I can force it down, then it will move. But I quite don't know what's rubbing. Is it the axles are just too The wheels are too close to the middle, that's why. Or is it because they added the brake discs in there, as you can see? And they do stay still. Maybe it's the tires. Oh, it actually is the tire. I just realized it is not fully on the rim on the inside. Okay, we actually might get a rolling car if I end up fixing this. There's one side, the other side also has the same. Somewhat, no, that's fine. And this side, back wheel, has this issue that it's not fully on the rim. Yeah, it doesn't really want to stay normally as it's supposed to. Like, from the outside it looks fine, but from the inside it's kind of funky. So not the best job here, Greenlight. Sadly, especially with a car that I really like, but it's fine. It's gonna stay in the display anyway. So yeah, there you have it. The Greenlight 1968 Dodge Charger from the movie Christine. Well, that's it. Yeah. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.